Hello, testing. Hello, everyone. This is Hemasai. I have been working as a Python programming trainer as well as Python programming full stack developer, and also worked in the field of data science with Python for more than 8 years. I have entirely 8+ years of experience in all these fields. So basically, I have 3 to 4 different types of Python courses with me. However, currently, as we are focusing on Python with data science, so I'll be sharing my screen with the Python data science brochure and explain you how the course training will flow. So quickly share my screen. Share. So since you all can see my screen, let me quickly open the Python DS training. So this is the course curriculum or course brochure which we are currently working on. So basically, this is about me. This particular section is about me. So completely, as I was mentioning, I have 8+ years of experience in training as well as other fields in Python. So coming to the next section, the participants, anyone who is interested in Python programming learning. And as we are currently focusing on online training, mostly this is a Zoom session training, and you must have a laptop with a good internet connection. And the timings are these. These can be flexible timings as well. It's not really standard timings. And the total duration of the course is 30 hours. This course consists of mainly 2 sections. In fact, 3 sections. First section is about Python basics, which is a duration of 10 days. Second section is about data science with Python, which takes 10 to 15 days of duration based on the project and the assessments which we are doing. And third section, which is optional section, which consists of mock interviews to the participants along with the LinkedIn Python developer profile development. So coming to section 1, basically, this section 1 will consist of 10 sections, basic subsections, basically, mostly focusing on Python basics, introduction to Python, setting up, and all the basic methods, object-oriented programming, functions, files and operations, exception handling, and all those things will be covered in this Python basics section. This will take a duration of 10 days. And also, after completing of each and every section, we are going to have assessments, homeworks every day to the participants. And also after completing 5 sections, that means total 10 sections, 5 and 5, we are going to have a project which we are going to work. The first project is all about game development in Python. And the second project is about developing a dictionary as well as a bigger game just using the Python basics. These 2 projects will cover all the 10 topics which we are going to cover over here. That means whatever the topics and whatever the concepts which we are covered will include in those 2 projects. Generally, these section will take 10 to 12 hours to complete, and then another 3 hours of 2 to 3 hours of project work. So it will easily take 10 to 15 hours of effort to complete this section. And moving on to the second section, which is data science with Python. Usually, this second section is something which can be variable. Here we can have web development or data science with Python, or SQL fundamentals with data science with Python. So for now, we are focusing on data science with Python. Data science with Python is kind of a walkthrough on what we can do and what are all the capabilities, limitations of Python in the data science, in the field of data science. This is not a section which consists of end-to-end data science training, but this will touch base on most of the data science pillars like machine learning, artificial intelligence, recommendation engines, and also the basic libraries of Python for data analysis, and also the data visualization. And of course, on a broader perspective of data science. But this section will not cover the end-to-end data science functionalities with all the packages and all the uh, algorithms in the machine learning. So this section, as you can see, will consist of 8 sections, subsections basically, and this section will cover various topics like data analysis, data visualization, and of course, like we have done a couple of projects, small projects. One is small project and another one is big project in the Python basics. Similarly, we have a couple of projects over here in the second section as well, which is data science. We will try to work with official websites of the data science. Let's take an example of NumPy and Pandas or Matplotlib or CPON, Plotly, Cufflinks, anything. We will go to the official websites and we will pick up the best examples to understand the concept, and also to work on the examples which we are going to create in the course. And at the end, we will try to cover the data capstone project, which is a very wide project, which consists of all the data analysis and the visualization part. And coming to the section 6, which is machine learning, regressions, and clustering. This is again a part of data science course. This touch bases on the introduction of machine learning, regressions, clustering, K clustering, decision trees, recommendation systems, etc., etc. And the section 8 is mostly going a bit deeper onto the machine learning and cover a bit more deeper concepts of testing, training, and deploying of the machine learning algorithms. However, the section 8 will be only the touch base of the concepts of natural language processing, deep and neural network learning, and also the touch base of artificial intelligence. And of course, every section will consist of assessment after completion of the section. And to complete this entire section will take 10 to 15 days, basically. Mostly the concepts will be covered in 12 hours to 13 hours. Sometimes it may take 15 hours as well. And 2 to 3 hours of project discussion. So this section would be completed somewhere around 18 hours. So that's the reason we have 15 days of capped duration over here. And this mock interview for the participants, a half-an-hour mock interview on all the concepts which we are going to cover in this particular course for each and every participant separately, individually, one-to-one. And also, if at all they need any help in LinkedIn Python developer profile, as we all know, LinkedIn has a special place in finding and recruiting and interacting with the job responders. So we will try to build a professional LinkedIn profile. If at all required by the participant, then we can do that as well. And also most of the topics, especially the basic topics, are covered interview oriented with an example of how, let's take an example of functions and methods. We have some concepts which mainly focuses on interview perspective. It's an example that we are taking on section 5, but every section will cover the topics with an examples and also expected interview questions, and also how do we react, a broader perspective of real-time examples, and the interview perspective will be given in each and every section. And also with the data science, since we are not touching the data science end-to-end, we will try to focus examples. As I was telling, we will try to cover the official websites, take examples from them and work on it. We will try to cover interview-oriented topics as well in this with an examples. So at the end, this mock interview will assess the participant as well as gives them some confidence on what we have achieved so far. So this is about the Python with data science course. And of course, I will give you my email ID at the end of this along with this brochure. So you can go through this brochure and you can reach out to me if there are any kind of queries or questions related to this course and how we are gonna work on it on a daily basis or alternative basis according to the schedule and according to the feasibility of the particular training. So this is all about Python with data science basics training. So I will stop sharing it now and try to share this brochure along with my email ID with your team as well as the participants, so that if at all, if there are any queries, you can reach out to me for further discussion. Thank you.